My name is Roman Dilovsky. Since 2002, we are trying to get attention to the public official regarding, in our strong opinion, organized crime in Georgia. Atlanta Georgetown Condominium Association, the board of directors of this association, Heritage Property Management Services, and Parkside Management Company who are doing many years contractors work for millions of dollars without permit and inspection from county, without contracts and no warranty, with code violation, which cause financial damages to the county and put the safety of hundreds of thousands people in danger. Insurance company accept fraud information from Atlanta Georgetown Condominium and Georgia Insurance Commissioners, employees, and John Oxendine accepted this fraud information from the insurance companies, ignoring and refusing proved fact and documents about the fraud, which in my opinion supporting organized crime, should be investigated and prosecuted. John Oxendine is running for governor position. Now he can run. How he can run for governor if he does not do the job as an insurance commissioner? The police many times illegally remove and treated the owners, threatened. They do not have any right to remove the owners from private common area clubhouse and support the organized crime. Surprisingly, almost all Georgetown 911 phone calls disappear from the CULP open record. They even erase 911 phone call for ambulance when the person fell from the second floor and become disabled because of bad railing made with code violation. No criminal investigation was made from 2007 till today. In the CULP, code enforcement police also disappeared important documents. At the present time, all 5-seat board directors condominium Georgetown are coming up for election in Atlanta Georgetown. All our attempts to review financial document to publish my nomination letter to force Parkside at board of directors to follow the rules and equal right in election process are ignored and violated. They want to continue to do so. I am running for the board of directors in order to protect safety and money the association and the CULP County. I am inviting Jeff Ryder and all commissioner and Burrell Ellis on my campaign meeting requested before the election to open the truth to the owner. All my questions and requests are totally ignored. I am asking you for help, please.
Thank you.
We want to stop organized activity from board of director and Parkside manager in Georgetown condominium.
Thank you, sir. Next speaker, please.
Joe Arrington.